Your Android phone plugged in but not charging? Before you assume the battery is dead, there are actually a few easy fixes that work surprisingly often. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Android charging problem in just minutes. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The first and most common problem is caused by the charging port not fully plugged into the phone. This may be more common than you think due to many users having a case around the phone. To check, simply make sure you have removed the casing for the phone and then plug in the charger fully until you hear a click sound. Then turn on the power to see if the phone charges. The next way is to check if there's any debris in the phone's charging port. Gently use a cotton bud or toothpick to remove any stuck debris and then plugging in the cable again. You can also use a lens blower or a small air pump to blow into the port of the phone to remove any potential debris. If you don't have any of these two, try to do a quick blow into the port, but make sure you don't get any saliva into the port, even though your Android phone should be water resistant. The next way is to see if your charging cable or the adapter is broken or spoiled. These are the two components used to charge your phone, so if either one is not working or broken, you won't be able to charge your phone. Test it first with a different cable and then a different adapter to see if this works. If changing both the cable or the adapter doesn't work, try replacing the charging wall outlet. Next is to check if there's a software update for your phone. Sometimes there are bugs or glitches within the phone, and a new software update can help to fix this. On your Android phone, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install. If there's a new update, go ahead to update it and check if your phone charges again. The next way is to reset your phone. Do a physical shutdown of your phone by pressing and holding the volume down and power button and tap on power off. Wait for about 15 seconds, then power on the phone again to see if the charging works. Lastly, you can use a wireless charger to check if the charging works. If it charges, that means your phone's connector port is spoiled. If it doesn't charge, the phone is probably spoiled and you may have to contact your phone manufacturer or get the phone replaced. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.